Welcome to my channel Rao Car Quest. Fire the Beast on two wheels is back. Meet the TVS Torque 125-2025. Are you ready to meet a scooter that's as smart as it is sporty? The 2025 TVS Torque 125 is here, and it's rewriting the rules for what a scooter can do. Whether you're cruising the city or zipping through traffic, this scooter is designed to turn heads and dominate the streets. Collision bold design that speaks speed. The 2025 Torque 125 continues its legacy with an aggressive, race-inspired design. From its sharp LED headlamps to its edgy body graphics, it's clear this isn't your average commuter. The new model comes in vibrant color schemes and a sleek digital display that adds to its modern look. It's not just a ride, it's a statement. Gear power meets performance. Under the hood, you get a refined 124.8 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, producing 9.38 PS of power at 7,000 RPM and 10.5 Nm of torque at 5,500 RPM. With a top speed of around 95 km per hour, the Torque doesn't just look fast, it is fast. The Race XP variant pushes it even further, giving riders dual riding modes, street and race, for that extra thrill. Mobile phone smart features that impress. What sets the Torque apart is its technology. The SmartSonic Bluetooth console connects to your smartphone for navigation, call alerts, and ride stats. Add features like engine kill switch, external fuel fill, USB charger, and boot light, and you're looking at one of the most feature-rich scooters in its class. Money with wings. What's the price in India? With all these features, you'd expect a premium price tag, but the TVS Torque 125-2025 stays affordable. It starts at around 88,000 Indian rupees ex-showroom for the drum variant and goes up to 1.08 Indian rupees lakh for the Race XP edition. Performance and practicality have never been this balanced. Direct hit. Final verdict, is it worth it? If you want a scooter that combines sporty looks, smart features, and serious performance, the TVS Torque 125-2025 is a no-brainer. Perfect for young riders, college students, or daily commuters looking to level up their ride, this scooter has it all.